Hi everybody, Sandy Brown here. I'm Children and Family Worker at Christchurch United Reformed Church, and this is the first in our Messy Church in a Bag activities for February half term, and I'm going to show you how to make a small origami house. In your bags, if you have one, you will have the instructions and you'll have 2 sheets of origami paper in a square. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our square of paper and we're going to fold it in half, so with the coloured paper outside. Like that, nice and easy, and then we're going to fold it in half again so that it becomes a square again. Just like that. Then we're going to open that up, and what we're then going to do is fold each half in to the fold that you've just made. So let me show you. It's quite important with origami that you make sure your folds are nice and crisp and sharp. So that's one side, and then we're going to fold the other side in the same to meet that one. So that you end up with this. So basically we've got our shape there and we've just folded it in like that. So then you're going to open up one of these and you're going to just squash that down from the corner. Let me show you properly. So that it forms the first bit of roof of your house. And then you do exactly the same on this side. Open it out and squash down. And if you've done it right, you'll end up with something that looks a bit like this. Okay, and that is your origami house. Now, if you want to, you can now draw windows and doors on it, and also you can make it stand up like that, so that you have a standing up house. So here's one I did earlier where I've drawn windows and doors on, and inside a door as well. And you can even put some trees and bushes and flowers. I put some flowers here. And there's our origami house. So the reason we're doing origami houses is because we're talking about having strong foundations so that they will stay up. So when we build a house, a real house, we need to make sure it's going to stay there and not fall down the first time it rains or the wind blows. So that means we have to build them well from the bottom up. So what about us? Can we have strong foundations in our life? We can, if we have strong people in our life that help us. So if your family and your friends are good and strong friends and they help you through difficult times, that's helping you to have strong foundations in your life. Just the same as you can help other people and your family to have strong foundations in their life. Another way we can have strong foundations is by reading our Bible every day and talking to God and listening to see what He has to say for us. So I hope you've enjoyed doing that activity, and I'll see you in for the next one. Goodbye.